To complete the aldehydes and ketones experiment at home, the first thing that you want to do, which is always the first thing you want to do when you go to complete a lab, is thoroughly read the entire lab and pay particular attention to the information in the chemical concept section. For example, there are some chemical formulas of some chemicals that you'll need in the lab. Acetaldehyde, and in parentheses is the IUPAC name ethanol, and then acetone, and in parentheses is the IUPAC name 2-propanone. So reading through these chemical concepts will save you time in the long run. Be sure to answer all of the pre-lab questions, and adding hydrogen in the presence of a catalyst is reduction, and adding an oxidizing agent is oxidizing. So the pre-lab study questions tell you to draw the condensed structural formula, if any, of the product from each of the following. So you see the addition of hydrogen, that means this chemical is being reduced. If you see O in brackets, that means that this chemical is being oxidized. So at the end of chapter 15, we looked at the products of oxidation and reduction of both ketones and aldehydes. So review that so you can correctly write the answers here. And you can write line structures if you like for the products rather than the condensed, although they have the line structure here for the cyclohexanone. All right, and then 2, where it says draw the condensed formula of each of the following. Here on this page are some example of condensed. You could draw line structure if you like. It's totally up to you. So including the pre-lab questions is about 25% of your lab report grade, so be sure that you do that. And then also answer any questions in the lab report. So after the data collection, there are several questions. There's a Q in front. Answer all of these for full credit.